Hello, this is Bobby with Classic Car Investments in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. And today we have for you a very cool and very rare 1961 Pontiac Catalina Safari station wagon. You do not see very many of these at all, and especially in this nice condition and equipped like this one actually, and color combination and so on. This car is actually on consignment with us from a collector out in Southern California. Got a ton of cars. I've sold him a ton of them, and just kind of thinning out. He's kind of ran out of space, so some of the cars got to go, and that's what he has shipped. This is one of the cars he shipped out for us to sell. Just nothing wrong with it. Just, you know, he has a couple other station wagons, and we need a bunch of them. So just to explain this car, it's got 63,000 original miles on it. Believe it or not, pretty much all original interior, mostly all original interior in the car. Some of the dash has been restored, I believe, or the steering wheel or something. We'll get in there. But I'd say it's a cosmetically restored car. A nice solid body on it, gorgeous paint job, and it's original colors. It's got the 389 with an automatic, and it's actually got tri-power on it, believe it or not. And the tri-power was added. Supposedly I got some letters that the thing was added when it was fairly new. This is the 6-passenger station wagon actually. And give me 1 second. All PHS documented and everything like that. Yeah, Dawnfire Mist Poly is the original with the color on it actually. So, and the dog dish hubcap, really cool car. I do these videos basically, this like walk around inspection of the car, showing you any positives, negatives, and so no matter where you are, you know what you're buying. It's a really pretty car. They did a beautiful paint job. You know, a lot of these wagons are kind of just, excuse my French, but really shitty half-ass restorations they do. They kind of paint them and that's it. You know, they weren't worth much till recently when, you know, they're very highly desirable now because they're cool cars. You don't see very many of them. You can put the family in them and you know, go any place. But this car is really nicely cosmetically restored actually. Just look at the side of the car, the body and everything. Just super nice paint job, great color combination. Being a tri-power is really damn cool. So we're gonna start right up front here and we'll go around the whole car and do a little inspection. So you can see the glass in the car is really nice. Looks like they redid all the stainless around the window. All this is nice. The wipers, everything's really nice condition. The fit and finish on the car is really excellent. You can see the hood fit, fender fit and everything. All this, nothing's out of whack. Really nice base clear paint job on it, all hand rubbed, and all the I'm trying to say, orange peel out of it and stuff, so really smooth glass finish. This is the original windshield actually. Which is in really nice shape. You can see they did most of this chrome on this car has been redone. See all the chrome on the bumpers, beautiful. It's definitely all redone. All the headlight rings here redone. The grille looks original. I mean, I think it was a really nice, it's a low mileage car to start with, so that grille is original. It's nice. And all the eyebrows here are nice. One little chip happened there they touched up. All this is really nice. Headlights, emblem, nice chrome. Look down the side there. There's really hardly any flaws in the body at all. So real nice dog dish hubcaps, radial tires, painted wheels to match. Door gaps actually pretty damn nice. A little bigger there than it should, but overall it's pretty good. All this chrome is done. You get the white in there where it's supposed to. The door handles redone. All this stainless around the door looks like it's definitely redone. This glass, vent window glass, original. All the window felts are nice. The roof rack, I think that's original actually. You can see, oh, I know it's original, but it wasn't redone. I mean, it didn't really need to be. It's kind of up high, so you don't really see it. But it's all there, and it's actually in damn nice condition. If you're really picky, you could just chrome plate that stuff, but I don't really think you need to. Door handles are nice. The doors, the quarter. Nice wheel. See how straight everything is. No dings, chips, nicks, anything. And here looks like it's pretty original. Chrome around the taillight's nice. The lens got a little crack. If you're really picky, you could replace that. Bumper's really nice shape. Reverse light, lenses are good. It's the original lens there. You know, I'm guessing you probably can't go buy those repop. I don't think. They probably have to find some NOS ones someplace. Tailgate fits good. All this stainless is in good shape. They all took it all off. You can see the paint this. Original glass. You can see. Yeah, a little pitting here. I think they could have done a little better. That's original. Again, one piece you take off and redo. They definitely redid these pieces. The emblems are all nice. Macro is nice. Emblems, original emblem, very nice. Again, roof rack, good shape. Done, stainless around the glass. Got a little delamination there, an original vent, but nothing major. Look down the sides of this side, straight as an arrow. Nice in the quarters. See the dual exhaust comes out there. Well, the other side comes over there, but all the stainless in the center. It's really beautiful. All been redone. Excellent original emblem. Beautiful door handles. The door gaps are excellent. And that is a little more than it should, but not bad. But overall, really nice condition. Ahead of myself here. The fender. You can see the quality of that paint job. I mean, it's really nice. And I give the overall condition of the car a 3+, because it's really pretty. It's a lot of looks, and they did a quality job overall. So, take a look at the interior here. Now again, this is believed to be original interior. I think it has original paint in the jams even. The only thing I can tell is they probably restored the steering wheel one time and tried restoring the dash pad here. But for being original, it's actually in really nice condition. Just shows kind of how well the car is taken care of. This car did not have carpet. Oh, there's carpet in the center there, but that's it. But these are the original rubber mats. You know, this one's kind of tearing, but it's original. If you want it perfect, you can redo it. But if you want a little, shows a little patina, what people say, you know, you'd leave it, you know, the originality. It's 63,000 miles. You know, all this is definitely all original and really nice. You know, there's no really good pitting or anything in here. That steering wheel was redone at one time. Glove box. Liner's still there. I had some cracks up in the dash here. Someone tried fixing. They didn't do the best job, but The rest of it is actually, the rest of this dash is like two pieces actually. You could replace that part. You could leave the parts that's actually like molded, you know. Mirror's nice, headliner's really nice shape, visors. Yeah, a couple extra gauges there, temp gauge and oil pressure. In the jams, they kind of left it original. It's the original intake. Door panels, again, looks like original paint. This weather stripping could be original or was done years ago. Back here again, you got the rubber and carpet mix. That is the original way it was done. This beautiful seat back here. The jams again look to be pretty original. Door panels are nice. In the bottom there, you had a little repair, it looks like. Trying to save the original door panel. The power window here works, as you see. All the original rubber back here. Jams are nice, weather stripping's nice. So overall, pretty clean car. That's where the spare, actually that's the jack and everything's in there. See how like clean as original paint, original mat. And then here, I believe is the, got a lot of loud cars out there. And there's where the spare should go. You see the jack instructions. It is missing the spare tire, but that would be easy to find. You can see everything's really nice back here. The original door panel and everything. It's got seat belts. You know, interior, I give it a 3 minus probably. You know, it's nice original. It's definitely a 3 for a nice originality. You know, it's really presentable. You know, you could take everything to the next level if you wanted to, but to match the exterior, or to just drive it and enjoy it, or just leave it as it is. And the bottom of this door panel, someone tried to turn too, it looks like. So you're looking at the hood. You know, all these classics. This just depends on how far you want to go, you know, when you want to spend. This would be a cool car to just take to car shows, or if you're going to swap meets and stuff, you can put stuff in the back, or kids soccer or whatever. But here's under the hood. And this is the original 389 engine. It was originally just a 2-barrel, I think. And someone did add the tri-power and the correct air cleaners, so it is very cool that there's a tri-power. And I think they, it looks like they redid the brakes. It's got power steering, power brakes. The rest of it's really presentable and stock. It's a plastic water bottle there. Everything's really nice in here. Under the hood here, they could have detailed a little more, but at least something for other people to do, right? Firewall looks like original paint. Got the trim tank here that decodes the car, original rubber up there. So really nice. Let's start it up. So you have 2 of the original T3 headlights also. It's pretty cool. Starts right up, you know, for tri-power, that's really sounds good. Sounds good. Let's play with some stuff here. Horn works. Wipers work. See if the radio works. The heater, fan, yep, it works. That's good. It's all good. Cigarette lighter, I don't know if that works. Radio, it turns on, I hear it, it does work. I think it'd just be in this parking garage. It's never not getting signal. And also I don't even see that damn antenna in the car. So, but the radio does work. If you had an antenna signal, you would have a radio. Other than that, really no other power options. Like the generator, all these lights work. The speedo works. The gas gauge does not appear to work unless it's really low, and I'm gonna let you know if we run out of gas on the way back. But I don't think that does work. All the windows roll up nice. All the glass is nice. So next, we're gonna get down to the parking garage and take it for a spin. Here we are taking the little Pontiac Safari Wagon for a spin. Car drives out really nice. Goes down the road straight, steering wheel straight. Seems fairly tight in the suspension. You know, it's not brand new, but it's not all loosey-goosey either. It's actually pretty damn tight. Oh, sorry. Shouldn't say it goes. Well, their phone is ringing here, so I had to shut it off. Yeah, brake stop good. Motor seems nice and strong. Going over bump, it takes the bumps well. This is a tri-power, so you floor it. Gets up and goes nicely, stops good. The exhaust is a little louder on it than, you know, factory I should say. But overall, it's a nice ride. You know, I'd say just nice driver, quality drive ride on it. So I'd rate the mechanical a 3 also. But you know, I really, you know, you could do stuff to it to improve it if you wanted to. I guess you wanted a brand new suspension, you could do a brand new suspension, but I really don't need it. It's a nice driving car, just the way it sits. So you know, every old car you could do a couple of tweaks to and stuff, but nothing is noticeable at all on the car. You know that you say you have to do. I notice when you let go the gas, and you hit it hard again, it has a slight hesitation. I noticed there, but we are low on gas, so it could just be that. But like right there, that's the only thing I really noticed on mechanically. And then it's a little loud. It might be a slight exhaust leak, but I'd say it's on consignment, so I just don't. I can't be spending money on other people's cars. That's what they give it to me. If it's something major, I'll let people know. And if it's too major, I'll talk them into fixing it before I ship it. But there's a full, complete inspection on the car, review